1. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that keep your skin soft and hydrated. They also provide vitamin E, which protects skin from damage. This helps maintain a smooth, glowing look. Dry skin often improves with enough good fats. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and calm acne. They also contain zinc, which supports healing and prevents breakouts. Regular intake can improve skin texture over time. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A. This helps protect skin from sun damage and supports cell turnover. It also improves overall skin tone and natural glow. 4. Oranges. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Collagen keeps skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Vitamin C also brightens skin and fights damage from pollution. 5. Spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants that improve blood flow. Better circulation gives your skin a fresh, healthy look. It also supports repair and hydration at a cellular level. Leafy greens are key for clear, balanced skin. 6. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics that support gut health, which is closely linked to skin clarity. A healthy gut can reduce acne and inflammation. It also provides protein and nutrients needed for skin repair. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin from UV damage. It also helps reduce signs of aging and improves skin texture. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content is rich in antioxidants. It improves blood flow to the skin and keeps it hydrated. This can make your skin look smoother and healthier, but the key is moderation and choosing low-sugar options. Too much can have the opposite effect. 9. Cucumber. Cucumber has a very high water content, which helps keep your skin hydrated. It also contains silica, a mineral that supports skin elasticity and smoothness. Hydrated skin always looks more fresh and glowing. It can also help reduce puffiness from inside. Simple food, but very effective for skin. 10. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and keep skin soft. It also contains protein and astaxanthin, an antioxidant that improves skin elasticity. Regular intake can help reduce dryness and fine lines. Your skin looks more plump and healthy. It's one of the best foods for long-term skin health. 11. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, called catechins, that protect skin cells from damage. It helps reduce redness, control excess oil, and slow early signs of aging. It also supports better skin hydration. Drinking it regularly can help your skin look calm and fresh. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, zinc, and vitamins A and C that help protect skin from damage. It also supports a clear and healthy complexion.